Hello student. Today we're gonna start. The topic is an array. So array is a collection of the similar data type or the collection of the similar entity stored in the contiguous memory location. So array is basically a homogeneous type of data. Means if we want to store the int type of data, the all the memory location should be a integer type of data. If it is character, then the all the location should be a character. So array is a collection of the similar data type. Now each data item of an array is called the element, and each element is unique and located in the separate memory location. Each element of the array having different index number known as subscript. Okay, that is the whole thing is the definition of the array. Now what is it mean the index of the array? First we have to go to the declaration of an array. So when we declaration of the array is basically two type. Is the one dimensional array and another is a multi-dimensional array. First we are going to the one dimensional array. First is the declaration of an array. During declaration, the size of the array has to be specified. The size used during declaration of the array inform the compiler to allocate and reserve the specified memory location. That means when the syntax how we declare actually the array. So first is the data type, next is the whatever the array name, and this belongs to the size or the number of items or index or the dimension of the array. So n specified the number of the data item or index or dimension. Now this indexing number, it will start from 0 and it will go for n minus 1. This is the range of the array. See the example here, int, this is a data type, the array name and the size or the index. So when we declare this type of data, the picture will be like that. So there is a number of data is a 5. So we need to draw the 5 individual memory locations. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 5. So in the declaration, the size of the array has to be specified before the compile the array. So when we declare int a5 means the array size is a 5. It must be a 5 individual or the contiguous memory location. Suppose so in the memory location the value will be like that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is the variable. Now as because it is integer, each value it will take 2 bytes of memory. 2 bytes of memory each and individual location. So suppose if the memory location is, it will start from 1000, the next location must be 1002 because each and individual integer number it will take 2 bytes. Next is the 1004, 1005, 1006 and 1008. Now we are going for the indexing number. How the number actually defined? Index number it will start from 0, it go up to n minus 1. So as because the n value is 5, so indexing number it will go from 0 to 5 minus 1 means 4. So how we declare the indexing number is the array name, the first indexing it will start from 0, next 1, next 2, next 3 and next 4. So indexing number, it will start from 0 and go to the n minus 1, that is a 4. So in this way we declare the array.